Have you ever felt like no matter how you dress, speak, or achieve, there's still something underneath it all, whispering, not enough? That whisper is shame, and many women carry it for years because of what they've done or what's been done to them. It hides in our tone, our posture, our silence. It buries the woman God created. But here's the truth. You were never meant to carry shame. You were created in beauty by beauty himself. As always, I am not fluent in the Hebrew language. I honor the sacred language of scriptures deeply, and I'm learning as I go. If you notice any mispronunciations, I ask for your grace and continue prayers as I grow in wisdom and understanding. The biblical anchor here is Isaiah 61, verse 7. Instead of your shame, you shall have double honor. God never intended for your shame to be your garment. He has always offered honor in exchange. But how do we walk out of shame's grip and into his truth? So many women walk around carrying invisible wounds, not just from what they've done, but from what's been done to them. The weight of that shame becomes an identity. But hear me, beloved, shame is not your name. Through Jesus, or his Hebrew name, Yeshua, everything shameful, your regrets, your trauma, your silence, your hidden past, can be forgiven and washed away. But it requires something sacred: repentance. Repentance is not just a moment, it's a process, a four-step journey of restoration. Step one, acknowledge. Recognize what happened and how it's affected you. Step two, confess. Speak it. Tell God the truth you've tried to hide. Step three, forsake. Decide to walk away from the lies and cycles. Step four, forgive. Let go. Forgive others. Forgive yourself. Healing is not instant, it's a sacred walk. But every step you take towards truth invites God to uncover the beauty He buried in you before the shame ever started. Here are some reflection questions. What shame have I been carrying that was never mine to keep? Have I allowed repentance to transform me or only punish me? What beauty has God been trying to uncover in me that I've hidden? This journey is sacred. If this message stirred your spirit, like, share, and subscribe. Download the study guide at studyvirtuousdesign.com or email ashirakavera@gmail.com to share your testimony. From scroll to soul, from word to walk, this is Virtuous Design.